This video will show you how to install Lowe's Flexi toilet step by step. Before beginning, check the package and verify that the components and parts are included. You will need these tools for installation. First, make sure the water valve and drainage outlet are ready. To begin, install the flange in place. Insert the T-bolts into the slots and place the plastic washers over them. Next, press the wax ring onto the toilet outlet. Set the toilet onto the flange. Make sure the T-bolts align with the holes. Gently press down on the toilet bowl to compress the wax seal. Use a level to check that the bowl sits evenly. Then add the metal washers and nuts to the T-bolts and tighten the nuts evenly. This step keeps the toilet stable and firmly in place. Place the side covers over the holes. Apply sealant around the base to prevent moisture and dirt. Insert the bolts and cone washers into the mounting holes on both sides of the tank bottom. Then secure them with metal washers and nuts. For convenience, it is recommended to connect the water supply line before attaching the tank to the bowl. Place the gasket onto the toilet bowl. Attach the tank to toilet bowl. From the bottom, place the rubber washers, metal washers, and wing nuts in order and hand tighten them first. Then use a wrench to firmly secure the tank to the bowl. Check the toilet tank with a level to ensure it's perfectly even. Now we will install the flush lever. Insert the lever into the left hole of the tank. Secure the lever arm by tightening the rubber washer and plastic nut. Attach the chain from the flapper to the lever arm. Then test the flush lever to ensure it functions properly. Once everything is working, cover the tank lid. To install the toilet seat, first insert the hinge bolts into the mounting holes. Loosely tighten with a drill to allow for later adjustment. Then align the toilet seat with the hinge bolts. Insert the seat and make final adjustment. Fully tighten the bolts on both sides. Next, remove the seat and place the bolt caps. Reinsert the seat to complete installation. Attach the water supply line to the valve. Use a wrench to firmly secure it if needed. After that, turn on the valve and allow the tank to fill. Press the flush lever. While flushing, check the base and connections for any signs of leakage. If everything works properly, your toilet is ready to use.